Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, February 8th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. Go into the Discord real quick. Looking at the tick US model, we did have a resumption or reclaim of the short-term moving average ribbon, meaning the cumulative tick is now starting to lift higher again. This is what we called out yesterday, that the bulls wanted to see, bears, we wanted to see a continuation lower towards the longer term moving average ribbon. However, again, as I just said, we did start to move higher again. This is very constructive. As far as the filtered tick, did see a little uptick in the afternoon corresponding with the buying. New highs outpaced new lows, and again, the longer term moving average ribbon is uninverted and trending higher. So all looks good here. Again, hitting on the tick ARCX model, saw a lift back up in the cumulative tick above the short-term moving average ribbon. Next we want to see is railroad tracks higher. Those who have been watching for a while are familiar with that term. As far as the longer-term moving average ribbon, this is fully uninverted, trending sideways, slightly higher. We do want to see this start to progress higher again, like we did back here, a couple days ago. However, so far so good. Next, moving on to let's go to our PPI charts real quick. Here we have the SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning. Called out pre-market this 410 was a big level, kind of the natural transition zone below 410. Would be looking towards a move down to 400. This is a massive liquidity zone. Kind of structure between 410 and 400 was kind of meh, meaning not a ton of influence one way or another. If we're able to hold 410, target would be 420, which is plus GEX. However, keep in mind that we are starting to see these negative delta strikes start to build out overhead. This makes it harder to progress when we do hit those, just something to be aware of. However, we did reclaim a 410, so it'd be important to see how this structure does change with any updates that we do get overnight. Now, moving on to price action. Again, same charts we always hit on every day. Here we have the daily chart of the SPY. Yesterday, we were talking about the bears price action, how we saw Monday's candle take out the low of Friday's kind of bearish reversal day. However, today, massive engulfing day, took out all of yesterday's entire range. However, now the daily chart, we're just in one big massive range that is better seen on the hourly chart. Again, frankly, not a ton of structure here to do right now. If I'm trading this, I'm looking to try and operate at one of the extremes, potential, kind of playing the ranges. However, if we do get a kind of breakout retest, move higher, breakdown retest, move lower. Yeah, just something to watch here. Keep in mind, plus X right now is at 420, which is top of the zone. Moving on to 5-minute, just zooming in here again, not a lot of structure here. Do want to see some kind of intraday range build as we progress towards the extremes of the zone. Potential trade ideas may present themselves. Lastly, hitting on the the 2-minute chart, we have our gamma levels overlaid here to the downside. We have COTMP, P-trans. Below that, we have 0 gex. To the upside, we have plus gex. Something I do want to clarify is while we don't have potential trade ideas from a pure price action based off technical levels, we do know that gamma levels are great places, good risk reward entries. Price often respects these levels, so if we do get a move down to COTMP or P-trans, certainly would be interested and keen to see how price does interact with these levels for a potential trade at that spot. Lastly, just in on Twitter post, we did post tonight. Great example here of our levels working, as I just discussed. Here, the price. Keep in mind this is a 5-minute chart, so if you zoom down to 2-minute or 1 minute, you do get a little bit better view. But price, after kind of the comments made that saw the intense volatility, price did settle down for a bit, did give you trading opportunities around 0 gex to P-trans. signature mood. Again, then we did see a bit of a consolidation. Again, hard to see on the 5-minute chart around this P trans, which did give you an opportunity to start to ride this higher. So again, just an example there of how we like to utilize these levels. So with that, tomorrow's picture should be clear in terms of levels we're looking at, thoughts, tick, trading ranges, you name it. So best of luck tomorrow. I'll talk to you tomorrow night. Bye.